What up, everyone? I am bored of my hair, so I'm gonna dye it. I just washed it right now. I'm gonna blow dry it, and then we're gonna get this color started. If you wanna watch me ruin my hair, continue watching. I blow dried my hair, and then now we're gonna get everything together. I got this Flash Lightning Manic Panic Super Strength Bleach Kit. We're gonna use this today. This Manic Panic is vegan. Ooh. Apparently it comes with gloves. I don't see any gloves. What the fuck did I buy? Okay, I gotta go. Comes with a shower cap. Watch me ruin my fucking hair again, and then I'm gonna want to shave it off again, but then I just realized that I can just dye it back. Damn. So all I have to do is not fuck it up. 1 part powder. So I don't really know, like it comes like this. So, oh shoot. It says mix 1 part powder to 3 parts developer, and so I'm just gonna dump it all in there. This is like one thing, right? Oh, that smells. And we're gonna use this. And we're just gonna bleach the fuck out of my hair today. I hope this is, was I supposed to use it all? And so now we're gonna mix it. It's kind of burning my eyes. Looks like it's pretty mixed pretty well. And it tells me to do a strand test. And so now we're gonna start bleaching my fucking hair. Oh my god. Here we go. Watch me ruin my hair again. Oh my god, I look crazy. This isn't working very well. So I put some in my hand, and we're just gonna go like this, because my hair is short enough. Okay, we got a lot in there. I think I would look good with gray hair. Okay, I gotta make sure the bottom of my hair is cool. And behind my ears. And so now, we're just gonna wait for how many minutes? This lady at Sally Beauty Supply told me to leave it on for an hour. So we're gonna leave it on for an hour. Okay, and I guess now, well, we're done with that. So now we're just gonna put the shower cap on. And wait. Okay, so it's been about like 10 minutes, and this is already how light my hair has gotten. Oh my god. Oh my god. I really hope it doesn't stay orange. Well, it still has like an hour to go, so. Here's another update on my hair color. So you see I still have some ways to go back here. Let's see the back. Still a ways to go. See, this back part is still pretty dark. I'll do another update pretty soon. So I just thought that I could probably fit a makeup tutorial into this little hair tutorial. We're gonna use this Jaclyn Hill palette right now. We're gonna use Dark Magic. We're gonna use the same Professional mini primer. I'm almost running out of it. And so we're just gonna put that all over our faces like that. Or mostly on our eyelids. We're gonna use Potion, dust your brush off, and like that. Okay. Okay, pretty nice. Okay, and then now we're gonna put on a little bit of mascara. Okay. Using Lash Blast. I don't necessarily like this one that much, but they didn't have my other mascara in stock. So we put on a little mascara, and now we're gonna use Temptress, just a little bit of that one. We're gonna use Inside Job, just a little bit of that one. Mix it around more in there. Top off your brush and put it right here. Sweep inward. Sweep outward. Okay. Now we're gonna use this fluffy brush, Sonia Kashuk, and just blend it. Very nice. Okay. Blend it. Yeah, we're gonna fix that. Okay, pretty nice. And so now we're gonna add a little bit more of this green. So we're gonna get a littler brush and just go, which side did I put it on? We're gonna add more of this green because we want that to be darker. Pop off this brush a little bit and blend it. Check the hair. Oh my god. Oh my god. Blended very nicely. Okay, and so now we're gonna use Poof. Poof and top it, and we're gonna go like that. Okay, pretty good there. And so now, wipe off this brush, and we're gonna use Power Cut. And put the Power Cut all right here. Pretty good, I would say. Oh my god, my hair is so blonde now. Okay, so we have our eyeshadow done, kind of. Let's use Diversion. Tap it a little bit, use Diversion over here. Okay, a little bit right there. Use this brush again and blend it. Okay. Pretty good. Okay, and then now we're gonna put a little more mascara on. Let that dry. Okay. And right now we're gonna take this green. Oh my god, what happened to it? It's not going up anymore. Okay, we're gonna take this green one and go along the waterline. It's Green by Maybelline Liquid Eye. Liquid like eyeliner pencil, so yeah. It's in the color green, Maybelline. And just rub it in. So you get that dark line on your eyelash. Curl all your eyelashes. This is a really bad angle. Oh my god. much good there. And so now we're gonna put on eyelashes. I already cut these eyelashes to fit. Put some glue on there, more on the ends so your ends don't fall off. I'm gonna actually listen to myself this time. Holy crap! Okay, I'm gonna put these eyelashes on. Okay. Put this other eyelash on. I need to stop doing that with my forehead. Oh my god, it's so light. Holy fuck. Okay. Blow on your eyelash. Okay. Okay. And I'm gonna wait to do my foundation until, oh my god, it's kind of... Okay, it's still kind of orange, so we're gonna leave it on a little bit longer. And yeah. Okay, so here's an update on my hair. It's been about 45 minutes and we're just gonna wait 15 more. Cause the back doesn't look as light as the front. What to do? I might have to dye it again. See that? I don't know if it's the same color or not. I do not know. Okay, so I rinsed it out and this is what I got so far, and now we're gonna tone it. Okay, so I have the Wella T18 Toner. Put some of this into here. Mixing the Wella T18 Toner. I'm not really sure how it's supposed to look, but we're just gonna put it on, you know? Yeah, we're just gonna put on gloves again and do this because this is way too complicated with the hairbrush. I don't know how people do it with the hairbrush thing. Okay, now we're just gonna leave this in for a little bit. Okay, so I put the toner in and it's been about like 20-30 minutes and it wasn't working very well. So I put purple shampoo in it. I don't know, on top of the toner. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that or not, but I did it, and so we're just gonna wait and see what's gonna happen. Probably gonna leave this on for a little bit. It's kind of turning pink in this lighting. Well, in this lighting it looks kind of pink, but actually it's like normal color. Actually, I think pink lavender hair would be really freaking cute. Oh my god. Maybe I should try that. Just a little bit longer. So it didn't come out how I wanted it to, so I put a little bit more bleach in, and we're gonna continue this process. And I'm combing it out because I want it to get in there evenly. Okay, put this back on, and we're gonna heat treat it now. Hopefully my hair doesn't freaking fall out, cause I would be so freaking upset. I would be so upset if my hair fell out. Oh my god. Okay, now we're gonna heat it. Okay, so this is as light as it is right now, and we're gonna leave it on for a little bit longer. Okay, so I got it pretty blonde. I think that I might wait 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes before I rinse it out again. Okay, so this is how light my hair has gotten. I think that I might take it out so far and then tone it again. Okay, so we put the toner back. I mean, this is very strong smell. I put the toner back in my hair, so we'll see about that. Okay, so I left it on, it's been about 15 minutes. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes, and it's looking pretty purple, pretty purple. It makes me want to dye my hair purple. I probably might, but I don't know if my jobs would allow it, because purple is not a natural color. Look at me in all these hairstyles. My scalp is burning. Okay, we're just gonna leave it on for a little bit longer. And this is the final look. Yeah, it's still yellow, but my scalp started burning really bad, so I was like, maybe I should try, maybe I should try to do it another day, tone my hair another day, because I toned it twice, I dyed it twice within like 3 hours. So yeah, and that's my tutorial. Hi everyone, so this is how blonde I actually got my hair. I do not recommend doing it the way that I did it, because I actually got some like chemical burns on the back of my scalp right here, on the crown of my head. I got some chemical burns. I definitely do not recommend doing it the way that I did it, because I got some fucking chemical burns. It's obviously way lighter at the top than it is back there. I don't know what to do about that, but overall I'm pretty happy with the results, besides the chemical burns, which will go away. So yeah. What up? Follow my tutorial. You might get some chemical burns, but I hope you don't. Bye.